Yeah, they're on and they look really good. We still gotta do the other side. And one thing about these is like they're already dirty, bro. It's actually kind of crazy. Welcome back to another video. Got my G right here. Got these two dudes right here.
You wanna know who's about to get dropped? You wanna know who's about to get dropped, bro? Yo, you be fucking.
Yo, we're gonna get some sky skirts put on today. A new mod for the G. Got my boys to help me out right here. They're just acting up right now. They're in love with each other. But yeah, we're getting some side skirts put on today for the G. Should look really good. It's gonna be aggressive. They're going on the side right here. And y'all just take a look at the G real quick. Come on. Oh, yeah, that's hard at every angle.
Hey, that tire shot is still showing, right?
Yeah, bro. They cooked me up. This is my boys whip right here. We got a 370. I definitely would have got a 370 if I didn't get a G35. Hey, you want to interview? You want to talk about your Z, bro?
Shoot. Yeah, what he said.
Wait, come close, come close.
That bitch don't even start for real, bro.
So this is my boy Bob's whip, you know what I'm saying? He's going to tell y'all a little bit about it before we put on the side skirts on my car.
So, the whip don't even, you know what I mean? So, this is, I call it the Z-Man. You feel me? It don't even drive for real. Like, you gotta put that bit in neutral and just push that bit.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this is like stock wide body. Like Z's are like wide body stock. That's crazy. But yeah, we're about to get the side splitters put on. My boy Cliff, Bryce Jack, but it's not working, so we're gonna get the car on the ramps. And we're gonna get a cold start, because I gotta get the car on the ramps.
Stop moaning.
Splitters right here that we're gonna be putting on. These are by Ventus AutoWorks. I actually have these for like 4 months now, and I'm just now putting them on. But yeah, these are pretty long. They fit perfect, and we're gonna put them on with I forgot what they're called. Self-tapping screws. They still got the wrap on them that we gotta take off, and I actually opted for the little lip right here to protect the sides. So if I curb anything, you know, they should be protected and everything like that. And it should be a pretty good install, you know what I'm saying? I got my boys to help me put them on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna look so good on this freaking car. Let me move this out the way though.
Look at you. Already put fingerprints on it, bro.
Alright, so we got one screw in so far. This is kind of what it's gonna look like. This is as far I can stick it out without it like not being secured on there properly. That's gonna look good right there. It's kind of what it looks like right there. It's gonna stick out. Just gotta get all the screws in, and it's gonna go up like that. It should look really good. And then we'll do the other side. Just gotta get more screws in. I got like all these screws right here. This is what the G looks like bare. It looks bare, like naked, without the side skirts. And I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on the other side with the side skirts. It's actually lucky flush with the wheel. Y'all see that?
Yo, you is gay.
What you think about the side skirts, bro?
The bitch is tough, bro.
Tough?
My bad. Excuse my language. They're beautiful.
What do you think about the side skirts, bro?
It's an aesthetic, bro. This bit is beautiful.
I ain't gonna lie, it's tough. You still gotta put more screws in. What?
Huh?
What you say?
I said my back hurt, bro.
I'm not gonna lie. I've been having a lot of suspect niggas in my videos recently, especially that last Cars and Cars video, bro.
No, he's definitely top one.
No, you're top one, bro.
He's definitely,
bro.
Why are you touching?
I don't mind them. They're in love, like I said earlier, but yeah, they're on and they look really good. We still gotta do the other side. And one thing about these is like they're already dirty, bro. It's actually kind of crazy. The whole car is dirty right now. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, I literally washed the car last week. Bro, what you say, bro? And I got you on cam. Look how I do. Look how I do.
You do it harder.
You say you like it?
Yeah.
We might have to throw them in the trash, bro. Finally about to get these next side skirts in on the side. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like before. It's bare bones right now, you know what I'm saying? Got nothing on there, better get it on. Got it mocked up right now. Gotta get under this bed. Looks good, Bob?
Looks amazing.
We all clear?
All clear, man.
Alright, bet. You know, turning back right now.
Whoa, no.
Moving?
Nah, it's not even in there. Like,
Oh,
damn.
so this nigga Bob just fucked this shit up. You know what I'm saying? He literally just drilled into the side, bro. Not even the bottom. What are you doing, Bob?
My fault, bro.
This dude just messed this up, bro. He literally just drilled into the side. So now we gotta re-drill it real quick. Hi, guys.
Hey, you see how he's such a light skin, bro?
He's such a light skin?
Such a light skin. Who said you could lean on my car, Jay?
Oh, it's fucking weird shit. Alright, I'm gonna jack it up a little bit. We got the side splitters mocked up right now. It's only held in by like 3 bolts right now. Or 3 self-taps. I'm gonna show y'all. One right here, right there, and one right there. And another one at the front. And once it's up like that. And we'll drop the car and show y'all what it looks like. This right here is actually fire though. How it's like flush with the wheel. I mess with that for real. And it sticks out. It's gonna look hella good. What you think about the side skirts, man?
Bro, you already know, bro. Like, this is the best thing I've ever seen in my life. Personally, this gonna help me, you feel me, go through a lot of stuff that I've been going through. You feel me? I've seen these side skirts and really just healed me.
Alright, he's trying, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That's good. Betty, let me get you another one.
Nice. You feel me? Putting in that pain, you feel me? Or don't get drilled on, you feel me? Don't get drilled on.
Yeah, man. Getting the side splitters in. Oh, shit, it's hot. Oh, yeah, he's putting that work in, man. Simple stuff, simple stuff. Alright, that's good.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm saying no gay shit, man.
Yo! Hey, yo!
Yo.
Oh, heck no, bro.
Oh, yeah. Alright, that's good.
That work, man.
Wait, was it that one or this one?
This dude does not know how to drop the jack, bro. He was gonna twist this part.
Bro, who uses
Like, what are you
shitty
doing,
ass
bro?
jacks?
Alright, twist it, bro. Yours doesn't even work.
Bro,
oh my.
Alright, forget all that.
Bro, give me
we
the
got the
stick,
side
bro.
skirts on, man. We got the side skirts on. They look really good right now. We're dropping the car, but this dude right here, he's in the cars, but he don't know how to drop a jack.
that's not how you drop a jack,
And this
bro.
dude's struggling, bro.
Why is this been not going?
Nigga, cause you use a stick.
Yeah,
No,
twist
you
that
don't,
part,
bro.
bro.
Stupid.
Yeah.
Stupid.
Alright, you can pull it out. Oh, yeah, that looks good. Gotta get the car on the floor, though. Look at that seat. It's low, bro. Dang. Oh yeah, you good. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think it made that much of a difference. You think it made that much of I don't think it made that much of a difference.
Like you can see it for real.
Yeah, but it's there.
It fits there.
Yeah.
It just fits there.
I feel like if it was lower, it would make more of a difference, but still looks good.
Don't step on it when you get up.
Yeah, I know. The cliff whipping, it's so weird seeing my car like on from the outside. Hey, hold on one sec. That's what the side skirts look like. It's so hard, bro. It looks hella good. It's already dirty, and I've been scraping on the way here. But yeah, I think this is like the best angle for it. But let me know what y'all think down in the comments. We're gonna get some pulls to see what it looks like just rolling. And I want to hear my car from the outside. It sounds hella good. Y'all take a good look at the headlights, man. Every angle, tough. This boy is enjoying his time whipping the car. Oh yeah, it looks so good, bro. And they're sturdy on there too. I got like so many self-tap screws in there, so I make sure these don't fall off because they are scraping a little bit. At least that's what I think is making that noise. The dude crashes my car, bro. I'm gonna beat his ass, bro.
Wallahi, I won't crash
You wanna crash it?
Wallahi, I won't crash it.
All right, go ahead, man. He gonna do some pulls. We gonna see the G. It sounds so good. not do it justice, I don't think. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Oh shoot. Damn. That shit is tough. I'm gonna have to run that back. So I keep trying to get the clips with the G taken off right here, but literally my phone is out of storage right now, so I just had to clear some stuff out. But this dude's enjoying my G right now. You should always let the homies that build your cars, you should always let them drive it, bro. That's just the number one rule. Yeah, I'm gonna let him hit it some more, get some more clips so y'all can see what the side skirts look like. Hey, what you think, man?
Bro, this car right here, bro. Everybody get a G. Best car on earth, bro.
Yeah.
Best, he said best car on earth, bro. That's funny. Oh, how loud that is, bro. And it look good, man. And it look good. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, this dude almost smacked my shit. He almost crashed my shit, bro. He almost crashed my shit. This nigga almost drove straight into the sign, bro.
Bro, I was like, nah, I'm getting your wheels dirty, bro. I feel mad bad. Bro.
It's mad dirty, but now we got cliff whipping. All right, bet. See how he does in my car. All right, let's go. Let's go, man.
Yo, your stuff is that. Yo.
Yeah. We gotta get the angles, bro.
Damn.
Gotta get
you're
that.
so louder than mine. I ain't gonna
It's louder?
You're so louder than mine, bro.
Gotta get the angles. Oh, he's tweaked. He's tweaked. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I thought he was gonna crash, bro. Oh, shit.
I know his stomach dropping, bro.
Oh, shit. I thought he was gonna crash, bro.
No. You came mad fast, bro.
Facts. You gonna crash, bro. You wildin', bro.
That shit wouldn't stop, bro.
Traveling that dirt really did my car dirty, bro. That's bad, bro. Look at my wheels, the chrome. It's messed up. We're about to get some flybys real quick with the splitters and everything. Bro, look how dirty these are, Bob. You see this?
To the other side, bro.
Dang, already? We just put them on. That shit sound good as hell, bro. Hey, man. Look at this dude's face, man. Look at his face. I felt it, bro. I felt the downshift in my ass.
Oh, shoot.
He waited for you, bro. Roll the windows down. Roll the windows down.
Damn.
Hey, just drive normal.
Yo, that cop is weird, boy.
Don't hit it, but just try and get out of here, bro. Turn into the Walgreens.
Yeah.
Turn to the Walgreens and go out the other side.
Turn to the Walgreens, yeah. Turn left, turn left, turn left, turn left, turn left. No, left. Dip, go, dip. Alright, just park. Just go inside the store. Just park. State trooper just followed us, bro. We had to
Did you
park
film
up.
that?
Yeah, I think I filmed the whole thing. Yeah, I did. Bro, state trooper just fucking followed. I can't even speak, bro. State trooper just followed us, bro. About to go into Walgreens. We got to disguise and stuff.
Oh, God.
much it for today's video. Side skirts look hella good. They're already mad dirty because we were driving in the gravel and stuff, but y'all can see right here. I'm gonna have to get this car washed. Look at that. Y'all see that? Look at that, bro. Look at my finger, bro. I just wiped it. Yeah, that's crazy. But let me get the angles for y'all. Got that thing on. It looks hella aggressive now. Yeah, every angle looks hella good. Let me show y'all right here. Like, my car is filthy right now. It's crazy. Sheesh. Let me show y'all the other side real quick. Oh yeah, that's fire. I gotta get them cleaned up, and we just got them on today. But yeah, they're flush with the wheels and everything. I like that about it. And this trim piece right here, if I scrape at all. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. Appreciate y'all boys, you know what I'm saying?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah.
We hit it with 1K.
1K. I think I hit 800 yet. Just now. I don't know. I'm at 799 right now.
We're running that up. You feel me? Going
Yeah.
for a million.
But yeah, y'all. We might get some race content with the Z. You know what I'm saying? Once I'm boosted, yeah. Once I'm boosted, we're gonna have to line it up, bro. Low key.
I'm losing right now, man.
Hope y'all enjoyed the content for this video. It's kind of all over the place, but yeah, that's it. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. We're about to get to 1K. I was about to say 100K. We're about to get to 1K. And
Manifest it, bro.
manifest it. Yeah, we're gonna get to 100K next year, this year, or some shit. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.